Dead body of a Kuki youth who had been missing for a significant period was found floating in Jiri River yesterday. As per police report, the deceased is identified as Saigolen Singson of Faitol village under Tosim subdivision in Tamenglong district went missing after he left home on the evening of May 14 around 8 p.m. A missing report was filed at Tosim police station on May 16. Following the news of dead body floating on Jiri River near Mauzual village, a combined team of Tosim Police Station and Jiribam Police Station led by Tamenglong Police SDPO rushed to the spot around 5:30 yesterday and picked up the dead body. Later, family member of the deceased, Swajehan Singson, aged 30 years, who filed the missing report at Tosim Police, identified the dead body. The deceased, Saigolen Singson, aged 17 years, son of Saigolet Singson, was a resident of Faitol village in Tamenglong district. Meanwhile, police has registered a case and the dead body has been kept at Jiribam District Hospital for further medico-legal procedures.